Hello everybody, I'm back again. Fried chicken. Fried it in canola oil. Cast iron skillet, Lodge brand. Drained the oil off, put Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce. Camping in my van on the Nolichucky River. At my friend's cabin. His brother's cabin. This is his cabin. They're over there building a dock or something to put on the river down here, a floating dock. And when I get done eating this chicken, I'm going to go help them. They all done ate, and I didn't eat yet, so using his grill. I got a Coleman stove in my van, but just want to make a video here. Sweet Baby Ray's chicken. Turned the stove off here. Thought the skillet would be hot enough to soak in that flavor. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with something else. Pretty nice place out here, wide open. Have a good day.